Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to repair CFL compact fluorescent light. If you are new in this channel, so subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification and like this video. So guys, this is the CFL that is not working, and today I'm going to show you how to repair this. So let's check this, it's working or not. I have this one, so this is the good one, it's working. So let's check this. As you can see, it is working. And let's check this one. This is not working, it's in front of you, it's not working. So let's get started how to repair this. Put the CFL down there and take a flat screwdriver. Just put the screwdriver here and press it backward and then forward, and do this for the other side. As you can see, it's easily open. And now we will see the problem. What's the problem inside this circuit or something else? I think the circuit is okay, and first of all we will check this fluorescent tube. 70% of problems comes with this fluorescent tube, and the 30% problems in the circuits. So first of all we will have to check this fluorescent tube, that it might be a bad one. So let's check this. So we will check the continuity between these two pins. If there is a continuity, the buzzer beeps, so it means this is okay. We will check the both sides. So let's check this. Move this selector to the continuity, and just touch them together. If it beeps, so it means this side is okay. As you can hear the beeps, so it means this side is okay. Let's check the another side. As you can see, it's not beeping. It means this side is not okay. So it shows that the problem is in this fluorescent tube. As you can see, this is little black, so it means that this is fluorescent. The problem is in the fluorescent tube, and the circuit is okay. So let's change this fluorescent tube and then we will check it works or not. So let's check this. So let's change this fluorescent tube. Just safely remove this from this pin. The wire is wrapped on this pin. Just safely remove it. Take this circuit out. So now we have this just fluorescent tube. Guys, take this paste out from this and be very careful to not break the glass, and wear the gloves or something for safety. I'm not using gloves or something else, so you should use the gloves. That is very good for the safety. Just remove this glass from this cover. As you can see, the fluorescent tube is removed, and let's put the new one. This is the white cement paste to stick the glass tube on this cover. So this is a good idea to put this white cement instead of glue. So guys, put the circuit back and connect those wires as we had opened this. Just connect one by one. Make sure there should be a contact between this pin and the wire, and do this with the same other side. As you can see, the pins are connected, and let's put this cover back. As you can see, and now let's check this. As you can see, it works, and our CFL is repaired. This is the old fluorescent tube, and we have replaced this with new one. So guys, hit the subscribe button down below and turn on notification, so you will be notified every video that I upload, and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.